This is how to edit videos with the YouTube video editor. In this complete video editing tutorial, I'll be sharing exactly how to use the YouTube editor so you can easily trim down your videos on YouTube. So I'll be using my phone for this tutorial. You can as well use your laptop or your desktop. It's going to be the same process. So if you are using your phone like me, you want to head over to your Google Chrome and you type in studio.youtube.com. So you want to make sure that you are using the desktop version of it, even though you are using your phone. To ensure you are using the desktop version or your interface is like this, you head over to this three dots here and you can see this desktop site. You want to check it so that your dashboard or your YouTube channel would show like the way it will show on a laptop or a desktop. Okay, so once you are done with that, you can see that this is my channel dashboard, right? So we head over to this place where you can see the content and you find a video that you want to edit. So I'll just pick a random video to edit. So let's say I want to edit this one here. You click on it, then you come over to this third one here, which is called editor. Okay, this is where we are going to be doing the whole editing. So let's do a little overview of the interface before we get into editing. As you can see here, we have trim and cut. If you want to trim or you want to cut something, any unwanted thing. You also have blur, you have audio, you have end screen, you have info card. Don't worry, I'll explain all of this when we get into editing. And here, this is where we are going to be seeing everything we're editing. It's more like the editing interface. And of course, here is your video. You can play it to check whichever part you are working on to see if what you are doing is go okay. More like a place where you come to preview what you are doing. Okay, let's start with the first one here, trim and cut. So let's say you have some unwanted parts at the beginning or the end of your video. All you have to do is to click on this trim part like this, and you can see this blue bar that appears here at the beginning and at the end. So you can drag it to remove that unwanted parts either from the beginning or from the end like this. But mind you that you have to play it first, your video, to know the exact part you are trimming out. Okay, so that's why this play button is here, to preview what you are doing. So you drag them from both ends or from one end to cut out the parts that you don't want. When you are done, you click on this preview here to see how it looks, and if you like or you're happy with what you're seeing, you click on save. But I'm not saving this, so I'm just going to click on discard changes because I don't want to make any changes to this video. But this is how you can trim a video on using the YouTube video editor. So the next one is to cut out parts in the middle. Now, what if there's a mistake somewhere in the middle? No problem. All you have to do is to click on this plus icon here and you can see new cut. You click on new cut and you can see this little red bar coming out here. So you can drag it to wherever it is in the middle. The blue bar is to remove from both ends, while the red bar is to remove from the middle, anything you want from the middle. So you can drag it like this and drag it like this. Okay, once you are done, you click on this check here and you preview it. If you like what you see, you save it. Okay, so let's go back. The next is blur. Sometimes you might need to blur someone's face or maybe something sensitive in your video. So when you want to do that, you come to this blur here and you click on the plus sign and you can see that you have face blur and custom blur. Let's start with the face blur. When you click on face blur, you have to wait and allow YouTube to detect all the faces in the video. Just allow it to load. It won't take too much time. So as you can see, YouTube has detected all the faces in the video. These are all my faces though, except this last one here. But if you have more than one face in your video, it will detect everything. So let's assume you want to blur this first one here. You click on it and you click on apply. So as you can see, the face has been blurred, right? You can adjust it if you don't want it to be blurred, like you don't want the whole face to be blurred, maybe just the part. You can either adjust it here or you come over to this place here. You see the counting, like you can put in the exact timestamp where you want it to be blurred. You add it here and you click on save. Then the other one is the custom blur. Okay, here on custom blur, you can change the shape. If you want the shape of the blur to be rectangle, you want it to be oval. Okay, let's say I want it to be oval. I click on oval here and you see it has changed. Let's say I want it to be rectangle. I click on it, you see it has changed. Okay, then you can adjust how you want it to be. Okay, then you can also track objects, like you want the blur to be moving as you are moving. If you want that, you opt in for it. If you want it to be fixed, you opt in, and once you are done with that, you save that setting. Next here is audio. If you want to add background music to your video, click on audio here. YouTube has a free audio library you can pick from. Just scroll through, listen to a few, and when you find the one you like, you just click on add. You can adjust the volume so it doesn't overshadow your voice. This is perfect for vlogs or tutorials like this. The next is end screen. This end screen appears in the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video, and it helps you to promote other videos or playlists, or you can as well use it to ask viewers to subscribe. When you click on it, you click on apply templates and you see different layout options like import from latest video, one video, one subscribe, one playlist, one subscribe, two videos, and the likes. Okay, there are so many of them, so you pick the one that you like. So let's say I want one playlist, one subscriber. I click on it and then I would come to this element here. You click on element here and you add. Do you want it to be a video? Do you want to promote a video, a playlist? You go to video. So you have most recent upload, best for viewers, choose specific video. So whichever one, if you are picking the most recent upload, this one YouTube would automatically add your most recent upload. If you pick best for viewers, you allow YouTube to select a video from your channel that best suits your viewers. Okay, then the last option is to choose specific video. So you want to choose a specific video that you want to promote. You can click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to this place where you can choose a video from your channel. So these are all my video. If I click on any one, let's say I click on thumbnail, this one here, it will be added. Okay, so that's how to do it. That's how to add end screen to your videos. Then let's go back. The next one here is info cards. Info cards are those little pop-ups you see at the top right of a video suggesting other videos or playlists. To add one, you move the playhead to where you want the card to appear. So see, I'm moving the playhead. Let's say I want the card to appear here. I leave it by this place and I click on the plus sign here, and I can choose to add a video, a playlist, or channel, or link. My link is not activated because I don't have any link, right? So let's say I want to put a video. I come to video here and it will take me back to all my videos and I can pick whichever one I want to add. So let's say I pick this now. You can see it's showing over here. This is what you call info card, so people can easily just click on it and watch this video directly from that video that you are currently showing this from. So this is another beautiful way to promote other of your videos. I personally will recommend adding it to where it makes sense, like when you mention another video that you've made, you add it at that point. Okay, so once you're done editing, ensure you click on this save button so that all that you've edited will be saved to your video. Note that it might take a little while for YouTube to process the changes, but don't worry, your video will be fine once it's done. Now you know how to trim and do all these other things to your video, all for free, using the YouTube video editor inside the YouTube studio. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment down below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.